Welcome back, Joe from Mobile Mouse. Today we're going to talk about zooming in Microsoft Visio. You'll all be using diagrams of various shapes and you'll want to be able to zoom in at times. There are various ways to do this in the modern versions of Visio. We're using Visio 2016 today. If you move onto the screen and hold your control key down and roll the wheel of your mouse forward, you'll be able to zoom in, and if you roll back, you'll be able to zoom out. However, this is only one part of zooming inside Visio. To be able to bring it back to full screen, Control-Shift-W. And it always brings it back as a full screen. That's the shortcut key in Visio to show your diagram full screen. Now, if you hold the Control and Shift keys down, then your cursor turns into a magnifying glass, as I've done here. If I do a single click of the mouse, it'll zoom in on whatever I've clicked on. Click, click, click. I'm zooming in on this building. You'll be able to see this is somebody's workstation. I can click into an amazing percentage. And in our modern version, we can go down to 3000%. If you continue to hold the Control and Shift keys down, and now use your right mouse button, it will zoom out by those percentage factors. If you keep doing this, you can go down to, amazingly, 1% of original size. Remember, Control-Shift-W brings it back to full screen. Now all of that was using the left and right mouse buttons, but if you now hold the Control and Shift keys down again and now draw a rectangle with the magnifying glass. If I click and drag around this area, what becomes the white area here becomes full screen when you release the mouse button. Do not release Control-Shift. And now that becomes full screen. If I do it again, click and drag around here, this looks like a toilet section. If I click and drag and let go of the mouse, it now zooms in on that section. If you need to be able to navigate this, if you continue to hold the Control and the Shift keys, you can now drag with your right mouse button and we can pan around the screen at the same zoom factor. Everyone needs to be able to do this. This is far superior than just using the Control and the wheel of the mouse. How do I return to full screen? Control-Shift-W. Guys, that's zooming inside Visio all versions. Thanks for your time.